Okay guys, welcome back to another episode from Scrapyard Rescue. Today we got to get back in on the fairlane number 1 here. On my last video I talked about how I had put new valve stem seals over here on the passenger side, and that I had to do it a couple times. I put these new seals on. They're supposed to be real good. Seemed like it worked okay for a couple days, and now it's smoking again out of this right side tailpipe on startup is all. Cold start, it smokes like hell. And then once it warms up, it clears up, and then it's fine the rest of the day. It doesn't do it. So it's only when the car sits overnight. So I'm going to go back in, take the valve cover off. I'm going to see if those other seals have come loose. And then if that's the case, then I got to start all over again and you know, change the seals, which is, I'm getting to be kind of tired of that. It's too bad you can't buy anything anymore that actually works. You know, it's just all trial and error. And, you know, you can bet at least 50-75% of the stuff you get's junk, and it's not going to work, and you're going to do it twice or maybe 3 times, and this will be the 3rd time I've had to go in there. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get the valve cover off, see if the seals are loose, and if they're not, then I'll have to address the problem some other, I don't know if the rings were bad. I don't think it would get oil into the cylinders when the car's just sitting. So I believe the oil is coming through the seals, laying on top of the pistons. When I start the car up, it burns that oil off, and then when it's all burned off, everything's fine. I don't think the rings are bad. It's not leaking from oil burning all the time. It's just a little bit. So we'll get started on that, and then we'll get you back in here when I discover what the problem is. Okay guys, well, I got the valve cover off. I got the stuff all out. It is the valve seals. I can see a couple of them are way up on the valve again. Some of them are stayed down, some didn't. So we're back at tearing it apart. So I'm going to go ahead and get these two. I'm going to get the 2 first ones off, and then I'll kind of show you. Once I get the spring and stuff out of the way, I'll stick the camera over there and you can see where the valve stem's sitting. But it's just another one of them days, I guess. I'm going to do something a little different today. I've got the different valve seals now, the black rubber ones that, you know, I had the first one, and I got a set of heads over there that's the kind they have. They have the black rubbery ones. And I did some research on this before I got into it on YouTube, checking stuff out, and I found several of them where they told me to run a bead of Loctite on the inside of that valve stem when you push it down and get it in there real good. So I got my brand new tube of Loctite in there in the house, sitting by the fireplace, getting it warmed up. I'm going to clean the valve stems off real good, make sure there's no crud on them, and then when I get the springs out, I'll break parts cleaner that real good. We'll clean up the nub on the head where they go, and hopefully then when I get that all done, I'm just going to leave the car sit for a couple of days till that stuff cures up real good, and hopefully that takes care of it. But I'll get you back down under the hood here in a few minutes. Alright guys, you can see here the valve stems I got on here. This one is all the way off it's halfway up the thing. I don't really know what the problem is with them, but it's just, I don't know. I'm putting these back on, and I'm Loctiting the inside, so I'm hoping that holds it. I guess we'll just see, huh? Okay fellas, I got everything all back together. I'm going to disconnect the distributor and crank the engine over a few times. get it to build up some oil pressure so I can adjust the lifters. And then I'm just going to leave it sit, I think, until tomorrow at least, maybe longer. We're supposed to be getting another storm coming in, so I don't know if we'll get it done or not today, or tomorrow, I mean. I'll have to wait till it warms up again, but I hope this time it works. I don't know what else to do if it doesn't. You know, I can't just keep buying valve stem seals and putting them on, and you know, a week later they're leaking. And so anyways, I'll get back here when I get this thing buttoned up and we get it running. All right, fellas, I guess I'm going to end this video here. I got a serious problem. This is where, you know, I need some advice. I need some help here. You guys would leave some comments on what you think my problem is. I just changed all the valve stem seals. I've been out here for half the frickin' day. I got it all done finally. Everything back together. I cranked, disconnected the distributor, cranked the engine over, you know, get some oil pressure built up so I could adjust all the lifters and get those all set in. Every single valve stem seal popped up off of the head. All of them. All 8 of them came loose that quick. Didn't even start the engine and they're all loose already. I don't understand it anymore. This is brand new valve stem seals. Again, this is the second time. They're not... What's causing it? I don't get what's causing it. They, you know, I don't know. They're all just popped up off the thing, all the way off the cup. I just don't have a clue anymore what's what to do. I can't just keep doing this every day. There's got to be a solution, and hopefully one of you guys out there will know what that solution is, and you can, you know, give me some info on it, because I'm kind of baffled now on why they won't stay on. I Loctited them and everything, and they just came right off. So anyways, I'm just going to end this video now, because I'm disgusted, and it's already getting cold. Got another snowstorm or some crap blowing in today or tonight, so I'm just going to clean up my mess, and I don't know, just forget about it for a while, I guess. Wait till it warms back up, and I'm going to have to, I just don't know. So anyways, leave some comments, give me a thumbs up, and you guys that aren't subscribers, you know, please subscribe to the channel. I'm, you know, I really need to get up there. I got to get to that 1,000 subscriber thing here. So anyways, let's just go quit with that, and I'll just see you on the next video, guys, and thanks for watching.